Morning.
Good morning, July the 11th, and we're here at a camp spot just adjacent to Peter Grubb's hut. We're on section L now, which we started last night just after our rice dinner. We hiked up here about 4 miles, and this section starts at Donna Summit I-80 and it ends at Highway 49 near Sierra City, but it only takes 38.4 miles. Now we've already done just under 4 miles. Today we're doing 25 miles and tomorrow we've got around about 10 miles to get into Sierra City, which incidentally is my birthday, which is pretty good. So as it's a very short section, we've decided to do a bit of a trail info, but a different one, and today is the day in the life of a through hiker on the PCT. Hope you enjoy it.
We've packed everything away, we've had first breakfast, we're now going to get the packs on and get moving, do about 5 miles before second breakfast.
We're too young to talk about forever, talk about the weather, to know any better. I just want to laugh until I can't breathe, midnight moonlight dancing, never get enough sleep.
One thing we have to do is collect water for filtering. Nice, clear, flowing source, ideally. 2 litres, just like that. We filter with a soy squeeze, large version, and we use the knockout door vector bags as our bladders. As you can see, you can filter pretty quickly with this setup.
Wild and free, baby, we could dream farther than our eyes have ever seen. I don't want to grow
up. 1 litre.
Baby, could we misbehave a bit more? Never know what's in store when we're rowdy and bored. Honey, can we catch some floating fireflies? Let them light our way tonight through the Neverland skies. Oh, the whole night through. 'Cause we don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe, come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna have fun.
So again, 7.5 miles done, and we're just setting up now for second breakfast. We normally have it a little earlier mileage wise, because we normally do a 6 for second breakfast, but where we got water, there's a few too many mosquitoes, so we've just hiked up to this little shoulder, breezy, clear, dry, no mosquitoes. Second breakfast, granola, coffee. Woohoo!
Second breakfast with a view. I was ready for this.
We just wanna be
Coffee.
Play and make believe, come and rescue me. Feel
Breakfast
the sun
finished.
on my skin and
Now back to walking.
Don't fall off.
wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe, come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna have fun.
Sometimes you just got to stop for the call of nature.
Just having lunch. Yeah, finished my first jar of peanut butter. I'll speak first. I'll take the spoonful. Done. 11 miles to go, or 10.7, but Daniel likes to round it up. We've done 14, near enough, so we're going to hike on now another 5 miles to Mule Creek, where we'll have another snack stop. Walking and eating, that's the day really. Top up some water, and then that leaves us around about 5 and a little bit left to get to camp and the final water stop. We're camping above what looks to be a nice lake, but we'll find out in a little while when we get to see it. Creek, just under mile 20 for the day, so we've just topped up with another litre or so of water each, and drank half a litre each just to hydrate. Northern California, no clouds, warm, and this high ridge walking is very dry. We're now going to head to camp, which is about a mile past Pass Creek, which is in 4 miles, and then a mile to camp, and then we'll set up there for the evening. We should be done. It will take around about 7:30 p.m. See you at camp.
Don't blow. Oh. Make a wish.
About a mile to go to camp. We was going to filter from Pass Creek, just down there at the bridge, but somebody mentioned use the faucet. Well, I don't think that's a faucet or a tap. I think fire hydrant. There it goes. Easy. We've got water. Now back on the trail for the last mile to camp. See you in a mile. This is going to be camp. We've set the tent up here on this used ground before and get some dinner on. Tent done. I'm just going to fill it now. While Daniel sorts inside out, I shall start getting on with dinner. 8:05. It's a little later than we wanted, but we'll hopefully get done by 8:45 before it gets too dark.
After setting the tent up at the end of the day, the next task is washing. As we're at a dry camp tonight, washing is courtesy of these. and after a day on the trail, our feet generally look like this. Most days. It does come off with a baby wipe. Obviously a proper wash is better, but we should be getting a shower tomorrow.
Good morning. Well, as you can see, it was our hiking day yesterday. We would have filmed a little bit more last night with dinner and things, but it was getting a little too dark and the cameras don't perform too great in the dark. But I woke up this morning, breakfast bagel. It's like I'm 47.
Happy birthday! On the trail.
Heading to Sierra City for maybe a celebratory beer. We'll see.
And a burger.
See you in a bit.
Bought a cheap car and got down on one knee. Picked up a guitar, I started rhyming. Gonna hit those charts when I get my time in.
Call me the Butterfly Whisperer. It's really has some soul for it.
We couldn't see the trees and it was too damn loud. I would stand on your border and I'll wait for the sound. Yeah, we left New York City with our windows down. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Just walking down the road towards Sierra City. Mile and a half from the trail. If we can get a hitch, Danielle is going to stick a thumb out. Well, I will too. If not, we'll be there in about 25 minutes. Burgers and beer. Woohoo! Good message. Nice one, 6th grade.
Natalie.
Natalie. Danielle can read children's writing, it seems. Don't know where she got that skill from. Got a lift on the tailgate.
City with our windows down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
£1 a cow. Happy birthday to me. £1 good for